Hello everyone and welcome to the Reading Classroom. I'm Miss Kathy and this is Sue and we're glad you're here. In today's reading class, you're going to learn about digraphs. Digraphs are when two letters come together to make a special sound. Today, we're going to be learning about the digraphs SH, TH, and WH. Let's take a look at the SH digraph flashcard. Look at the picture. Can you see the letters S and H hiding somewhere? The letter S is her earring, and the letter H is her finger and her hand. This is a librarian. Do you ever go to the library to check out books? Well, at the library, sometimes you have to be quiet. If you're not quiet, the librarian will say, shh. That's the sound that SH makes. Let's practice. Shh. That sounds like the librarian. Let's make that sound again. SH says, shh. Let's look at another digraph. This is the TH digraph flashcard. Can you see the hidden letters T and H? The letter T is the boy's body, and the letter H is the wheelchair that his grandmother is sitting in. This is a little old lady in her wheelchair, and she's sewing a quilt. She has a thimble on her finger. Did you hear that sound? Thimble. At the beginning of that word, TH makes the sound th, as in thimble. You have to stick your tongue out a little and gently bite down on it to make that sound. Let's practice. Th. You try. Th. Thimble. There's another sound that TH can make. Let's take a look at the next flashcard. Can you see the hidden TH in this picture? The letter T is the little boy's body and the H is the bicycle. The little boy is pointing and saying, I want this bike. This. For this sound, you put your tongue against the back of your top teeth. The. You try it. This. Now we're going to talk about one more digraph, WH. Let's take a look at the flashcard. WH is hidden in this picture. Can you find it? There's a W, it's the baby. And there's the H, it's the mother's diaper bag. When a baby is crying, mom knows what to do. She usually carries a big diaper bag with supplies. She asks, what do you want? Do you want your bottle? The sound that WH can make is wh, like in the word what. Bring your lips together as if you're going to whistle. What? What do you want, baby? Try to make that sound. Wh. There's another sound that WH can make. Look at this flashcard. Can you see the hidden WH in this picture? The W looks like the top of the owl's head, and the H is part of the tree. WH can make the sound that you hear at the beginning of what an owl says. What does an owl say? Hoo. At the beginning of that word, you hear the letter H sound. So, WH can really sound like the W is silent, just the H sound, as in who. Can you make that sound? Now it's time for us to practice our word list. We will practice reading some words with SH, TH, and WH. You can see at the top of the page that there's the flashcards to remind you of the sounds. Let's take a look at the first word. L, shell. Up, shop. Ip, ship. Stick your tongue out. Ank, thank. Thump. In, thin. Now we're going to change and we're going to make the other sound that TH makes. Your tongue should be at the back of your teeth now. Them. At, that. Is, this. Now let's practice the WH special sound. When. Ip, whip. Whack. The next word is actually a sight word. Remember, WH can make the sound like H alone. But here, that O is making not the sound you'd expect. So WHO is actually the word who. We'll learn it as a sight word. Who. Go to the next word. This word has that who again. So who, whom. Last one. There's that who, whose, whose. Well, you did a great job today reading the words on the word list. Remember to keep practicing those words on your own until you can read them with little to no mistakes. Now it's time for us to read our little book. You're going to see lots of those digraphs that we just practiced in the story. We're going to mark the book, so make sure your book looks like the one you see on your screen. I'll circle the digraphs that we just learned. Let's look at the back of our book before we read. There are some words you may not know. A, the, to, they, and Thursday. When you see a sight word, you can mark it with a little box. That'll help you remember that you don't have to spend time sounding it out. It probably is a word that is a sight word and can't be sounded out like usually we can. All right, let's read. The shop. I went to the shop to get a gift. The gift will be white and red. They will get the gift. I will thank them. I will whip up a cake. They will eat the cake. When will they get the gift and the cake? I will get it to them on Thursday. Did you notice in that book, not only did you practice words with the digraphs we learned today, but you also saw some words that had sneaky E and 2 vowels walking. Each time we read a book, it's going to include some of the special sounds we've already learned and the ones that we're learning in the current class. Parents, thank you for allowing your child to join us here in the reading classroom. You can get a copy of my Phonics FIRST Aid book, which includes all of the flashcards and all of the word lists and little readers and so much more. You can visit the link in the description below to find out the details of how to get one for yourself. Well, thank you for joining us today here in the reading classroom. Remember to read your word list and your little book until you can read them with little to no mistakes. Make sure you join us right here in the reading class next time. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day.